So that's it. I think Jake wrapped it all up and thoroughly kicked my butt in cornhole. And what I'd like to do, to ask as a favor of Jake, is I'd like him to take a few minutes and show us his amazing #1 Ford Raptor and how it's outfitted with PACKOUT to make him more effective on the job site. Can you do that? Will you do that for me?
I can do that.
I appreciate it. So, if you're not aware, we're with Jake of All Trades.
JakeOfAll.
And you're JakeOfAll.
Yep.
Over on Instagram. Are you on YouTube yet?
I'm on YouTube, yep.
How come we're not working more closely together, Jake?
I don't know.
Like I'm a little hurt, but okay.
You know, and I even was in Philly for a little. So.
Unreal. Unreal. Were you living there, or what were you doing?
1 year.
You lived there 1 year.
Only 1 year.
You know Ed Bassmaster?
Who?
Ed Bassmaster?
No.
All right. Psst, unreal.
Rizzo's.
You do know the Rizzo's?
My sister worked there.
Rizzo's what? The rink?
Restaurant.
Rizzo's, where's that at?
It was in Glendale, I believe.
Really? I'm gonna have to check that out. I don't know Rizzo's.
Ooh, good stuff.
So what do you got going on over here? I mean, this is literally amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let's flip around. You could show everybody. Look, you even said you got the step on the back of on the tailgate and all. But how have you organized all this to be more productive and effective?
So I don't take it all with me. This is sort of, you know, an event. Let's show it off. But this is new. This is basically using the Milwaukee PACKOUT bracket.
So I don't know if you can see this or not, but Jake is mounted a board here. I guess, is this mounted, this board?
It's loose actually, but it won't lift once they're on there.
I gotcha.
And it can't go forward or reverse because it's locked in.
So you didn't have to put any holes in the bed.
I
don't blame you.
I'm not drilling holes in a Raptor.
I don't blame you.
As much as it would probably be more secure.
How much more secure does it, you know, I agree with you.
I'm gonna build something to ratchet lock it there, but for now, this will do. But when I set up a job, especially like those bags,
yes,
I'm not sure what I need. I've got electrical connectors, bits. These bit things, I think, are like the cat's meow.
I mean, look how thoughtfully.
Yeah, this guy, Electron Smith, on Instagram. Check him out. If you've got your own printer,
I'll check that out.
This is actually a prototype.
So this
yes,
locks in. Now, who made this?
I did. This was my design.
So you 3D printed this?
Yep.
Wow.
So you can lock those right onto your top and then not spill your parts as easily.
That is cool. I gotta open this. So these are all 3D printed as well?
Yeah. These are all a bunch of reject bins that I was basically messing around with.
They look like they do the job. You call them rejects?
Yeah, because like, see, this one's not fully printed.
I hear you.
You know, so on and so forth. But
well, let me ask you a question, because I want to know. I'm sure everybody else wants to know too. What kept it from fully printing? You ran out.
Just jammed.
Is that what it was?
Yep.
I was gonna say you ran out of. Was this in there? Did I mess you up?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm messing them up.
So
what's? Let me ask you this. What's in the other organizers? Can you tell me? Show me.
So if I'm doing an electrical job, pretty much plates, rings, you know, just various stuff depending on how it's going to be used. That one's just empty. But then, like this, if I take those down, this thing, being that it's PACKOUT, will just clip right in, and now this isn't falling over in the bed of my truck.
And that, see, the soft organization is exactly the reason why I really think that PACKOUT has moved into that #1 spot.
Yeah.
Because it's great to have a lot of bulk storage. The reality is, though, technicians, carpenters, whatever it may be, you're going to have small hand tools and all. And I think with other organizers, you don't have that small hand tool organization like you do with PACKOUT.
Yeah, yeah. And then I you know, different jobs, I throw together these, like, this is actually, they get heavy.
Wow, these are all 3D printed as well.
But you know all about this. You're doing trim guy, and he's got the wrong nails with him. It's
That's nice.
Much better. The boxes aren't falling apart. Obviously, PACKOUT screws. Smaller, assorted sizes. 4-way 3D printed.
That's nice. Now wait a minute. So my question is, you're 3D printing these. You're only 3D printing these for yourself.
No, I actually have them.
So you're selling all these.
Yep.
Wow. Where? Let me ask you this question. Where can they buy these if they wanted to?
.jakeofall.com.
Store.
.jakeofall.
.jakeofall.com. Now my question is, what's your capacity to get these out in case?
I'm at a month right now at least.
Behind.
Month behind.
To ship.
I print when somebody orders. Because it's consumables.
Sure.
And it takes time. Actually, like one of these bigger bins.
Yes.
That's a prototype.
Look at that full size there.
That bin right there fits in these deeper ones. That bin takes like 17 hours to print.
Wow.
Yeah. Nesting, because everyone's got these big ones.
I like that.
And they waste that whole bin.
Yo,
for that screw. So this.
After this video goes out, you might want to invest in another printer.
Yeah. So that's the setup, and then, I mean, this is I love this Milwaukee tool. Canard, PEX expander. You're doing a job and you need to quickly get something. Stock bin, nothing special in here.
Yeah, but still,
both sizes, valves.
It's all organized. I feel like that's what PACKOUT does for you, especially with soft organization. But these are slick.
Yeah, this all started because Sortimo. Adam Savage did a video about how he organizes stuff. He's a Mythbuster guy.
Yeah.
And I looked up the price of Sortimo and just had a heart attack.
This is the deal. When L boxes first came out, and they were offered by Bosch had a whole bunch of stuff that was available in Europe. They never made available to the U.S. market, and that's why I got it. They said, oh, buy this now. We're going to ship the rest later. Blah blah blah. Mm-hmm. They never delivered. They never made it available. And quite frankly, PACKOUT is much more versatile, and there's much more available for it. But I will say this. I think when you add this, it makes it even more versatile. Yeah,
you can do a lot with it. It's pretty insane. Those are for the thicker bins. So like if you wanted to put some smaller stuff in there and you didn't want it rolling around, good to go. And it seals against the lid. You won't lose your stuff.
That is awesome.
Yeah. There's a lot of people on, it's called Thingiverse. Thingiverse.com. It's like a 3D printing library. You can look up anything you want, and there's probably somebody making a part for it.
Really? So if they have if they already have the 3D printer, they can get the plan right there.
Yeah. Electron Smith, he's the guy on Instagram that's designed a lot of these. He's got tons of his designs out there. There's other guys, Ice Rabbit. They go by crazy names, handles. But there's just so much stuff out there that you can print, like feet. You can print these PACKOUT feet. These are sort of
so you
show people how they work, because you could.
You would screw those to a non-compliant or a non.
That's how this is attached.
Gotcha.
I can lift up that PACKOUT.
Oh, this wood plate. Yeah. I gotcha.
And because I want to take my Craig stuff to a job, and I set this on the top PACKOUT, so I have a workbench and then I can sit there and knock things out.
That's awesome, bro.
So you just get these, put them on the bottom of something.
Yo,
do your own PACKOUT.
Make sure you go and check Jake out over on Instagram, YouTube. And check out his website if you're interested in any of these organizers. They probably will make you more productive. If you're more productive, you'll probably make more money. And if you like that, smash the like button. Also, if you're not already, get subscribed, tap the bell. Make sure you go and check Jake out. Thanks, brother. Yo,
no problem.
Thanks for showing us all this.
Yeah.
We'll see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.